friends, welcome back to another video, another unboxing, another Dooney and BOURKE. So I will show you guys the footage of me opening this bag. Oh my goodness, I have seen this a few times, and I love small purses, and I said, oh my goodness, missed it when I seen it was on sale. This is the red Bitsy bag. Oh, look at this. Oh, it's just so cute. Oh my goodness. Let me see. I happen to have a tape measure right here. It's 9 inches by like 6.5, almost 7 inches, and then the bottom is about about 4 inches, a little under. Look at this beauty. Oh my goodness. This is the Saffiano leather. As usual, the Dooney and BOURKE bag. And here is the, of course, I am definitely keeping this, so I am gonna just, where are your scissors at when I need them? Okay. Oh, look how nice and stuff it is in the inside. Oh, it's so cute. I wanted the brown tomorrow in the pebble grain, but then when I saw this red one, okay, so it has this slip pocket here. And then it has a slip pocket here and the zipper. And as usual, the sticker, and it has Dooney and BOURKE right here. The red leather. Look at the leather pull tab with the red zipper. And it has this with the red on the end, the key finder. And I love the double zipper, the double zippers. It's like the zip bag, but this one is the Bitsy. Oh, it's just so cute, you guys. Let me take this off. Oh, it's just in a cute little purse here. Look at the feet at the bottom. It's so cute. This is to hold it when you pull the zipper. I guess that's what these little tabs are for. Oh my goodness, it's just so adorable. It has the little accordion cotton. Yes, it's so cute in the inside. And then here is the strap. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Oh, I guess you can adjust it. This is the adjustable part of the strap. So it's like a little crossbody. So I'm assuming that we put it on the handle for the little crossbody part. Oh yes, isn't that cute? Oh yeah, it's like a perfect little crossbody. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I will be moving into this in the near future. Okay, so we got that, and then I have this. That purse is just so cute. And in fact, I have this Coach purse right here. It's a camera bag. It's called the Pink Mango Multi. Confetti Pink Mango Multi. Retro strap. So this is the tag on this. I haven't ever used this. I don't know why. I just haven't used it, but I was thinking of this strap for this. Let me take this off and just give you guys a peek of what I'm thinking. And look at, I know it's the burgundy, but it has the gold hardware that the Dooney and Bourke came with. Oh, and it fits on there. And you see the Dooney and Bourke, I pointed out the gold hardware on that and the gold buckle. But yeah, I thought that this would be cute with it as well. At least if I'm not carrying the purse, I could carry the strap, because that's the real reason why I bought the purse, is because I like the strap. But isn't this cute with this? So, oh my word, it's just so cute. And then I got this. Now on my receipt, it doesn't have the individual price. I think the Bitsy bag was $90, and I think I spent a total of $127, including tax. So, yeah. This is the black cosmetic pouch. Oh, got it clean. Look at that. Oh, isn't this cute? Oh my goodness. This is just cute, cute. Cute, cute, cute. Yep, black cosmetic pouch. Oh my goodness. This has the... Yeah, I need the scissors. Oh, they got this really around us. Like for real, for real. Okay. And it has the Dooney and Bourke since 1975. And it's like, it's a real soft canvas, like. And you can hear the zipper. The zipper is really nice. Oh my goodness. And it was packed. Here's the cosmetic pouch card. And it has the Dooney and Bourke number in the inside. And look at this. Oh my goodness, it is so cute. Oh my word, it's nice. Oh my goodness. I think they had it in red too. Watch out now. Watch out now. Like, I might have to get it. If they had it in red, I probably would have ordered a red with a purse, but I ordered black because I think, you know, I like black. So yeah, and this fits in here in this bitsy bag. Oh my goodness. So stay tuned for watch me pack my bitsy bag. I'm so excited about this little purse. Oh my goodness. I think I might have to move in it today. And I'm just adoring this coat strap, even though it has like the burgundy. But I love the red and the retro strap. It's so cute with this. So stay tuned for more on my bitsy bag. Oh, see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, what you doing? If you ain't subscribed, then I'm just saying, like, subscribe. Bye.